It's a beautiful morning, Monday morning, just after New Year's, and I'm headed out to our farm kitchen to start cooking some food. We've got a catering this weekend, and we also have a menu going out, so I'm gonna snowshoe up to the store today and get some of this outdoor activity in, because it's just beautiful out. It's too nice to waste a day like today being inside. About -10, and winds maybe 13 with gusts up to 25, but right now it's slightly calm, so it's good. Beautiful. And so just a couple days ago I was out here, it was about +10, seeing some bees flying in and out. Coming. Some nice snow insulation on top of it. Hopefully they survived the winter. Nice to get an early start on the year.
Changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot home. To start the day, I'm standing on the space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame?